full use of such an opportunity in 2024 to scale my income to multiple six figures a year. So I'll be teaching you and giving you a full breakdown on how you can actually create online courses that sell to be able to scale your income. So my journey started 2 years ago when I stumbled upon online courses and a paid community marketplace, right? Discovering a hidden world of silent content creators making thousands. And I'm bringing this blue ocean strategy and blue ocean opportunity to you as a coach in 2024. And you need to make full use of this opportunity right now before it's too late. So the decision to create online courses has actually become life-changing to many. And this is how you can start making six figures as a coach in 2024. I'll be revealing the secrets to a successful online course in this video. I'll be giving you a step-by-step process for beginner coaches to create their online course that will sell effectively in this video. And I'll tell you, it's not that difficult actually. So step one, let's dive in like straight, right? Step one is to start with proper topic research, right? You need to choose a trending subject both on Skillshare and Udemy for maximum success. So the gear setup is actually pretty basic. All you need is a screen recording software, laptop, or even a smartphone for an engaging course. Next, outlining the course has actually been made very easy with artificial intelligence. So all you need to do right now is to use ChatGPT prompts to streamline the process of outlining your courses, right? That's the third thing you need to do, right? The fourth thing you need to do is to utilize AI to make content creation much faster and more efficient, and ensuring that your content created are targeting the needs of your audience effectively. So this can be done through creating PowerPoint presentations for lessons through the use of AI. Next, you need to shoot the course, which is pretty straightforward. All you need to do is to open PowerPoint, record your screen, and potentially include a talking head for engagement, like what I'm doing right now. Next is you need to ensure that you have an introduction and conclusion for each lesson to optimize student engagement. You need to use the power of effective storytelling throughout your course. So you need to ensure that your students know in each video what they're going to learn and do a summary at the end of the video to ensure that every lesson is clear and concise to optimize student engagement to get them wanting to come back for the next video. So you need to create an attention-grabbing introductory video with Canva for the course thumbnail. So you need to, first of all, attract them to click on your introductory video, right? And then in your introductory video, you need to highlight the dream outcomes. What is the exact dream outcome that your course is going to provide for your audience, how you're going to get them to their dream outcome, and ensure that you minimize perceived effort. You need to convey the message that once they use your material, they will not need to struggle as much to get to their dream outcome. And their dream outcome is actually much easier to achieve than what they think it is. Your introductory video is actually crucial, right? So you need to keep it simple and engaging. Tell them the problem that they have, how you can solve it, and make sure that the content you put in your introductory video is not too complex, because you just want to introduce them to let them recognize that they have a problem and that you have the solution to their problem to ensure that they sign up to your online course and community. So next, you need to optimize course title, description, text for search engines. This can be done through the use of artificial intelligence and ChatGPT to enhance visibility, and you will need to use the right strategies for this as well, for it to be effective, right? So you need to use the right prompts in ChatGPT to ensure that you'll get the best quality titles, descriptions, and text. So this is a roundup on how you can exactly create a course, right? A very simple breakdown on how you can actually create a course step by step, and how you ensure that this course creator will actually sell.